I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting priorities, state the role's goals and rank them. Safety first, then fairness and efficiency. Next, gather only the essential facts: who is involved, what happened, timing, and any hard constraints. Once done, pick 2-3 evaluation criteria to judge options. Impact, urgency, and rule compliance work well. Make sure to write these down as anchors. They prevent bias when emotions rise. This focused start gets you making informed choices instead of guessing at motives or outcomes. You now list 3 realistic responses, including a cautious option and a proactive solution. For each option, compare it against your criteria. Write 1-2 pros and cons and predict likely outcomes. Use transitional thinking. Short-term fixes may ease pressure now, but long-term choices preserve trust in systems. Make sure to consider how stakeholders will react, as perception matters. Once you have this matrix, rank options by net benefit and feasibility. You pick the top-ranked option and explain why in 1 or 2 clear sentences, link it to your criteria and expected outcomes. Then outline immediate actions, who takes which step, and a simple fallback if things go wrong. Once done, check your key assumptions. If any feel shaky, state a contingency. If you encounter pushback, pause, confirm facts, and switch to the fallback while communicating reasons. This final structure shows decisive judgment plus practical backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.